To turn on the available remote air conditioning system, press and hold the AC button on the smart key fob for a few seconds when you get in range of your car. The air conditioning system will come on and run off the hybrid battery without starting the engine. It will work to reach the last temperature you set as long as the battery has enough charge remaining, the climate control is set to anything but high, and the outside temperature is not too cold. It will run for up to 3 minutes or until you open a door. Several conditions can limit the system's ability to cool the interior. See your owner's manual for details.